Hello, teacher.
My name is Teacher Rama. Today we have speak and test.
My name is Helen.
Okay, nice to meet you. How old are you?
I am 30 years old.
And where do you live? Where do you live?
I'm from Helen.
I live in Halong City.
I live Helen City.
And who do you live with? Who do you live with? Do you live with your family? Mother, father?
My friend is family is mother, father, sister, grandfather, grandmother, and me.
Okay. What is your hobby? What's your hobby? What do you like to do?
My hobby is the play game and play badminton.
Okay, now let's move to the second part. In this part, we have two topics. The first one is my favorite film. The second is my dream house. All right, you can choose only one. Which one you want to choose to talk about?
Skipping carb one.
Okay, you have some time to think about the questions.
What is my favorite film? My favorite film.
You don't have to ask the question. You can answer it directly. All right. Okay, what's your favorite film?
My favorite film, The Kingdom. My Lion Kingdom.
Okay, and what type is it? Is it like comedy? Is it action? Is it horror film? What type is it?
It's a cartoon.
Oh, okay, it's a cartoon. And why do you like watching it? Why do you like it?
I like it's my film very good and the host.
Okay, is it because it's interesting and funny?
Yes.
All right. And how many times have you watched your film? How many times?
Many time is one.
One time?
Yes.
Okay. Did you watch it alone? Or with some friends or with your family? Who did you watch the film with?
My friend group of friends.
Okay. All right. Thank you. Goodbye.
Goodbye, teacher.